there, creative kiddos! Today, we're diving into an important topic, dental health. Are you ready to learn how to draw a tooth drawing that's both fun and informative? Let's brush up on our artistic skills together. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Imagine a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a healthy tooth, all essential for a bright, happy smile. Today, we're going to draw them together and learn about dental health. Let's grab our pencils and markers and get started on our dental adventure. Now, let's grab our trusty black marker and start outlining our sketch. We'll begin with the holder, adding details like the toothpaste tube and toothbrush. Don't forget to draw a heart shape on the body of the holder for some extra love. Outline the tooth. Make the outline bold and sharp. And now, it's time to add some color to our dental essentials. Sky blue color. Green color. Indigo color. Orange color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Move to the tooth.
Cool!
We color it with rainbow colors. Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Well done! Let's draw a bucket filled with beach toys. First, let's start with another rough pencil sketch. We'll outline the bucket and then add in some fun beach toys. Let your imagination run wild. Now, let's grab our black marker and start outlining our sketch. We'll define the bucket and draw in the details of our beach toys. Remember to add in all those fun little details. And now, let's add some color to our beach scene. Red color. Purple color. Blue color. Pink color. Orange color. Green color. Yellow color. Red color. Great job, everyone! I hope you had a blast drawing and coloring with me today. Until next time, keep on creating and exploring, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.